No,
I had a Carlin a Christian. That
Yeah, Carlin Davis is a Christian.
Yeah,
not
but I told Carlin, let me just go with me. I go to
Yeah, but you jump over context.
Yo,
fact check.
You come like a backseat driver, dog.
We're fact checking what is happening.
Yeah, but Carlin, you know.
No, but are two different Carlin,
just
brother.
like every Karen.
No, well, yeah. Me not agree with that one day.
No, make no
Sorry.
sense.
Well, every Karen.
No, sir.
Yeah, I've done a Karen.
Some of them white, some of them black.
No, Dana Karen are two different smarty.
Isn't Donna Karen? Who is Donna Karen?
Dana Karen is a brand.
No, Dana Karen is two different names of two persons. Them
it's
put
like
together.
a double barrel
it's
name.
Dana and Karen make the Dana Karen brand.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know one person name. So remember we buy like a good thing sometime, you know.
Me got that's that market.
Yeah. Yeah. Remember Arika
Maxal market.
Arika Raga friend. So Rick have like good things.
Maxal market Sunday morning bright and early. Ladies and gentlemen, wait. Question.
Yeah. What go on?
Ask Dragon when live.
Is it what is it? Galawasp?
Galawasp.
If Galawasp bite you, what will happen?
Me no know.
What you have to do? When
what do you have
them
to
say
do?
if Galawasp bite, what you have to do?
Me think I have a piece of or something like that.
What food arguments are freaky, brother?
No, brother, but me no know. All right. When you go to school, I wish one of them say have a piece of again. One of them, man.
Shable lady.
No, hold on. No.
Which one?
I want to go see a step
man.
You see?
Step power.
So now go like
wait. Yeah, but
them sit there.
Wait, what do you have to pee on?
When see stab you in your foot bottom, you know.
Yeah, is that juki something?
Well, look who you'd come, because you're not getting a pussy, you know. Come piss for my foot.
Cree.
Yo.
About Cree.
Yo,
no.
A long time, some dirtiness are going on earth, you know. You piss for a foot.
They must say, if it reach water before you get dead.
Yeah, you don't know that Rick them say if girl was bite you.
I don't know what even know what a girl was.
Magnum Fridays. See Magnum Friday. Right, you get it right.
True, man.
You have to reach
water before it.
Brother.
As them say, if it reach water before you, you're dead, you know. If it reach water before it, it's dead, you know.
So which part of girl was there, though?
I didn't know.
Girl wasn't even a stone wall and them little place, you know.
I didn't know say there, Jamaican. I didn't know what it was.
Remember a little sitting look like half snake or half lizard, you know. Shine, you know. Shine.
So hold on. Tell me one somebody was dead where you know.
And that me I say, because I called my father asking and him I say, him here but him never know. Him don't know about nobody who dead from Galawas.
Let me tell you where them talk come from, man. I didn't talk here a bar when man drunk.
And a bar, God no, after me I grew up, me hear that something, you know. Yo, after me I grew up, me I hear that something there. See?
God.
Speaking about that.
Wait, we have our next one.
Yes.
Let me write down one more. Hold on, go on talk.
But speaking about that, you know, say, I think a lot of these teachers back in the days, they are descendants of slave master.
Why?
You know more reason with some of them teachers there when I go to school, we teach me at primary school forward upwards.
I get out now.
Because here now, remember, you know, you do like some burps. You come in from school, seeing you have to go to the river, go make all 4 or 5 trips in the evening, go fill one drum. One drum of water, seeing? Tired now. Wake a bit late, you go because remember you walk about 6 miles go school, you know. You go to school all 2 minutes late. Then killer would be and send you go pick up schoolyard whole day, you know. Don't them a try to turn you, you know. Whole day you have to tie a cover, you know. Do all kind of things you can't go to class.
You have to pull up tansy. Maybe you have to push them tansy, then pull you up.
Yeah, you have to do all of them sitting there. So if you look at it now, what is the moral in that? Is that punishment or is that just stupid? Because if you as a kid, if you know say yo, me late for school, might as well say boy, me go over bush go burn some weed, you know. Me nah come today.
I think he was trying to instill discipline.
Well, yeah, but
what kind of discipline
it's
that?
the method
remember, you don't
get
get beaten.
done.
You don't get to beaten. Splash in your hands. Remember, you rub courage in your hand. Say yo, that a bust the belt.
Yeah.
Yo, every Jamaican will know that something. You know, you rub courage in your hand, nigga. Yeah. Sometimes you touch all them places, yeah, kill you.
Exactly.
Wait, courage scratch you.
Yeah, but he doesn't scratch
your hand. That's where you come from, man.
Me never get beaten, sir.
So you never walk in a bush and courage
no,
bite?
Sir.
Where you come from?
Rasta go in a
very over. My parents were over. It's not town. Spanish town badness. We talk about town. Bear gunman and
listen, Spanish town a country, you know.
Sir.
Not because you have town panic, you have Brownstone, whole heap of town and a country them.
Spanish town badness.
But anyway,
never get beaten.
The fact of the matter is, mother like reason with an old teacher. Any teacher with 50 or older want to have a sit down and have a little chat.
Yeah, true. Like
when he's a descendant of slave master.
True.
Because some of these things want to do with people pitney. All them sitting now. Remember I got primary school.
We can
now.
try. No, listen. I think we should get the.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think.
All right, let's.
Remember, man, I said me got time cow in a whole day. Yeah, one big cow, you dry cow up, you know.
Let's try something. Yeah?
Stingray, tell me if you still have a teacher that is alive. You know, we can make a connection with one of them and just have us. Because I'm really fascinated to hear some of the explanations that they will give. Because sometimes, as me tell them, say, me not get beaten and certain experiences I never had. But the stories that you guys have told me, it's quite hilarious.
I think, let's try something, Dragon.
Yeah.
Rasta.
Yeah.
Ivan, is there a way we can get the student number onto the screen?
Yeah.
Because I
We
think
have the
Magnum
student
Fridays more hear from you.
Breds, where did you go to school? Did you go to school over here in JA?
Because big man thing, dog. Like, when me look on it,
Let's try pin the number.
them something, yeah,
I can't
is
touch it.
garbage. When teacher,
read it
no, I don't mind a little bit, you know, Pitney get a little smacking, you know.
Right.
Because that a farmer discipline for say, yo, if I do it, you get some smacking. But when you go outside a certain punishment rule, for tell a man to go tie a cow, go pick up every bag juice leaf and every sweetie stick out of schoolyard. Whole day I have a sweetie stick, you know.
Then we used to, when you left your PE clothes, you used to pick up the almond seed them and spell out
My
your
lad,
name.
I don't see man them a try
Spell
make a
out your
ton.
name. Yeah. And for anybody that wants to call in, the
Yeah.
studio line number is 0775 457 2890. That is 075 572890. I'll put it in the comment section.
I want to hear people because I think
this is quite
No,
interesting.
what's your school?
It's a serious thing because I know if you go to school at Jamaica, in a year like a place, either any parish you fall from, anybody go to school in the 90s to 2000 to 2002 must have a little bit of this experience. Anything over that, I don't know what going on, you know. Because the school system may change so much after that.
Ivan, can you tag Rasta's comment? Because we put the number up. But just want, so anyone
pin it
feel like
for
you
me,
want to
please.
tell us your school experience.
Yeah.
What happened to you? What the weirdest thing happened to you in a school? Like you wonder now when you're old now, you wonder why was that? Or why did you go through such a thing? Because me go through a things too. The same.
Tell me one story now.
Yeah, we used to go bush, go pick tansy.
One name, sir.
What is tansy?
Tansy is a special tree. It's like a look of plant.
Is
But
that whisk?
yes, but it grew in a way the rock is and it's hard to pull up.
So you're supposed to clear that up?
Yeah, so they give you like a patch, like one o'clock for a acre, and say you have to pull up all that. That's when I used to go York Castle. Anything you do bad in a class, you get detention, then send it down at the field.
So when I go, a year ago school, man, because when I go high school, any teacher boy said that I box.
No, man, I say, man.
Me a bad man high school, a primary school, I could have run them
Jacob,
joke
me
with
a
me.
grade no, we are chat, man.
Yeah, you can't run them joke there with me a high school, man.
No, man.
Was that high school? York Castle High?
York
Yeah.
Castle High School.
If I ramp, because when we come to York Castle, we are bad man, you know, because we are come up there. We are going to York Castle, we are get hepatitis and tire everything.
Can't deal with the
We are
violence, you know.
Me I go sit down in a York Castle and me no go school there, you know, boy.
True.
Class,
Yeah,
me I go sit down in there, you know.
Because York Castle was big and you have all the entrance you can come in high school from without
Yeah.
even notice here.
Yeah.
So I think most of the other school them
Right.
always come in the school somewhere.
And people and they don't know.
And you don't know.
You know, most of the girls will go to school, them go look. But anyway, we are talking about the earlier days of school. when-
Magdalene Friday said calling but no answer. Let's try again. Is the number right?
Are the wicked teacher them? Uncle, Clive, what going with the phone?
It's 07754572890. Is it right?
Cause what a conversation about this? Cause some of them
Yeah,
teachers are wicked,
That's
man.
right.
Try ring again. Let me see if you
Or
can get it.
actually, is it too late to do a StreamYard link
No, it's
Yeah,
easier.
or a Zoom link?
Well, we
Boy,
can-
no, boy, I don't know, but just try this to that. But
Try
some of
this-
them teachers are wicked. Them are wicked people, and you want to fight some of them.
Max and Friday, try a call again because we really like to get somebody else.
If
take on
not,
this.
I'll give you a link, Breds.
Of course, because definitely, because more time we need to
Last
reason.
time I don't know you can't drink them guns of fire now. Every week I come here, I have to walk and down for make one take a cup of drinks.
All you have to do is to ask kindly, and your drink will be made.
Oh, Zane. What my boy say?
Bartender,
All right,
table.
here's a call coming.
Yeah.
Let me answer the call.
There's a call coming in.
Let me get that call. Which line is it? Is it this one? Hello, good evening. Welcome to the show, Upnlive show. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey, Breds, what's up?
Breds,
All right.
what's your experience?
Tell us your story, please.
We get beaten every day, man. Home and school.
What make you get beaten, brother? What you do?
Come road.
Problem pitney, man.
Come, all right. Tell me one of your favorite stories of you getting
All right.
get beaten.
When we did about 7, 8,
Yeah.
we did a basic school and we got our next basic school.
Yeah.
And then I beat up on my friend and kick down and bust up in mouth. and then beat me for everybody.
But hold on, the basic school. Remember basic school where you go from?
No, you mean primary school.
Basic school you go from 3 till 5. Jesus Christ.
No. I start school from 2 years old. Yeah?
So from 2 years old, I left basic school. I go on next one.
No, let me finish my youth.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. When time we did it,
Yeah.
we left basic school at like 7 years old.
Mm-hmm.
No, you left when you have 5 plus I go 6 to start grade 1.
Brother. You left secondary school, primary school at 12. Do the maths, no?
No, brother.
Well, for us, it was different.
For me, I went 5 plus.
Yeah.
I got 6.
Country living, I said.
No, because even me.
I say go for everybody. I don't know, probably I got
yeah.
school late. The phone days is too long. Back in the days, it would be different.
Yeah, but anyways, go with the story.
Hear me, I say.
Yeah.
If a 6 plus or 7, whichever one is close.
That one day,
That's
yeah.
it. Them tell me we are corduroy trousers. Yes, so
Gotcha.
me get beaten this, so.
Yeah.
One time I cut 4 picking upon them finger with the razor. The teacher make them cut my back.
No, alright, but you can't complain though, brother. Can you deserve? Me feel that you deserve that beating.
What was the
that's what I
backstory?
say.
What was the backstory? What was the back? Why you cut the people them on them finger?
Alright, basically, yeah, me don't know why. But just did it and me tell them and them, all of them, and I just cut them, me don't know.
Yeah,
Me did
wicked.
rude, man.
Yeah, wicked.
So one time I did a secondary school, we found used to make we go up on the wall
Yeah.
and leg off of the wall and stretch our and them up on the wall like a soldier.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, feel all straight, man, and tired, they can't jump, but they get some beaten.
Yeah, wicked.
So thinking about all that happened, we spoke about that being like a slavery mentality thing or punishment. Do you agree that spinning off that?
Remember Jamaica and all of black, we don't know what slavery mentality, you know. If you leave Jamaica, we know what slavery, you know.
Okay. So what
I
you
know
consider that as?
upgrade.
Was it too harsh? Were some of the punishments that we got too harsh?
Remember the one time me that grow, yeah? If you get beaten at school, you can't tell a yard where I get beaten, you know, if you hold it though.
True, because when you go, me I gotta get a next set.
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah, but
So we justify.
Right.
You have to just hold it.
I disagree with what you say we don't know about slavery mentality. In Jamaica, you see when we say master, remember, you know, we are talking about master, like what they usually call it, slave master. When you say master, you hear what? Remember, you know, that will come off because...
No, really.
Yes.
You see, no, master, yeah. Normally a
master,
country
what do you mean?
and somebody will own a acre for land.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you.
Master, they don't master of the yard.
Yeah.
Yes.
So just respect, out of respect,
Yes,
yes,
a
a master
master.
like uncle and them someday.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Said that word come off of master, like the slave master, the
So
owner of
no,
the
we say
plantation.
master 'cause we draw the word,
Yeah,
but-
because we draw the word, but I'm just telling you, said that word come off of the slave master because him the usually call massa. You know what I mean? Him own the plantation, so we start shortening it. So when slavery abolished and they start to allocate certain line to what they want to call them, the old slave them, they get that title as massa.
Alright, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
When you leave Jamaica?
When we leave Jamaica, 2013.
Rasta.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah,
Yeah.
if
No,
Yeah,
your language
yeah.
good, man.
fresh, man.
Before
Eh.
2002, yeah? Were you well versed in the knowledge of the world right now as it is now?
I think I could angle myself pretty much because obviously
Exactly,
me's a
but
guy
still-
that do history in
But
school.
what I try to say, since technology forward,
Yeah.
we had more research for go on.
Yeah,
So what I try to say,
yeah,
back then, you didn't see it as slavery, you see it as the person that all that you have to respect them. I seem to come out of Jamaica now,
We
I
realize.
realize, yo, to be fair, I some reason again for no reason, you know.
Exactly. Because it's like you watch a football game. When you're in the stands and watch a game, you understand, you see players, and you see what really are going more than when you actually play a game. Cause you live,
See the game.
you live in England now, so you actually see what did go on. I know so most of
Oh,
the thing.
yeah, can you step out of the circle and see it.
No, but we still fall back to the conversation we say because we know better now. That's why. Not saying it is not wrong. What them that do back in the days, it was so wrong. Cause remember, you
Wrong
know,
what? Listen to me.
if
If
take
they name
people
the
out of
certain
class,
thing to
no, think
Listen,
about
yeah.
you have kids, right? If a teacher boy ever lick your kids, me know tomorrow you go to prison because you and him are in a problem. though.
No. Listen, it depends.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, me as a Jamaican grew
Yeah.
up getting beaten. If obviously my I'd love to touch a pit, you know that, but they're not going to do it. Say, let's say, oh, yeah, Jamaica
Yeah.
now, you're gonna say why you get beaten at school. because him do something. Beat and abuse are two different things.
Yeah, but you have some teacher abuse it because I remember when I was going to school.
Because them till they stress out their life. They're not a woman.
Exactly.
The
Some of
woman
them
cheat
come.
on them.
Some of them come. I remember the lunch bell just ring and the man I walk down the corridor. I slap everybody with the bell, two side. And the principal.
Every school though.
Remember the principal, you know, he man have what you call a piece of wire and it, about 3 wire and them flat. About three electric wire flat, you know. And at that day, man, they use BT and all your back cut up on them something in there, you know.
No.
So that is slavery mentality.
That is slavery.
That's why I tell you.
Anybody did that to me, yeah? Make you small, maybe, me stab them with a pen.
Yeah, them try to expel me at a young age.
I think Dragon and Breads have a lot.
No, Brick, I have the perfect example in that.
Similar,
see?
yeah.
When me now grade 4, you know, some Christian people forward enough for devotion. You know, all that Pentecostal church coming out devotion mad. Oh, me a little youth, me have one little yo in my hand. And the teacher, boy, no.
You can't call the teacher, man.
Oh, you mean teacher, boy? Because I'm going to rate him up till now.
You couldn't say it before, though. But go on.
Yeah, what go on now? The man likes a boom. You see when the man drag the yo-yo, the string digging on my finger, you see that mark up on my finger? I still have a scar till today.
Oh.
He cutting on my finger. Bad man. The amount of bomb blood clot come out of my mouth. Devotion mash up. Peer stone me a fling and be a thing. Be a man, it's not school. You know what? Because one big thick man, you know, when he Mr. Walk up, Brian know him. Some of the people in the life know him. Yeah, man.
All right, so...
Him dead now. Yo, when I come out, he man grab me up and give me some thump and kick, you know. Because I'm a little youth, you know.
Young saver, big up yourself.
So he man do like some bumps and chop me in a little, what you call it, the teacher staff room, because I go and bad, you know. I mean, them not take no chat, you know.
Of course.
See, by the time I come out, I whole school, I say, gather around. And you know, tell Brian, bye-bye, won't see him anymore. Expel the man who expel me.
As a primary school student?
I don't tell you, man, I'm wrong. But I go to school for about 4 months. I forward back in a school, you know. Like, time I forward there firing, you know, him fly down, you know, and beg me back coming to school.
Of course. And Breads, we just want to give thanks for the call for join the conversation.
And we'll speak to you soon.
Your story, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself,
big
man.
up
Thanks
yourself,
for calling.
bro.
All right.
Cool, big up.
Whether you're talking, so if you're on the live right now, if you're on Facebook or anything, the number is on the screen. If you want to get into... Tell us your story. We want
to hear, like, your childhood, like, primary school,
child
school.
story, Lordy Hood part.
Yeah, that's my fault.
Anyway, your stories from school, where you got to.
School day stories.
We get one day I come from school as well. You know, after even we got Ochiris primary.
Yeah.
And we are walking forward and come in and, you know, we always, when a 5 or 6 we are walk as boy pitney, every dog we see, we fling stone after them and run.
Stingray. That's all like you.
We go see one dog, we never forgot, walk through Box Hill, see one man dog and a dog help in a yard, you know, one long string. And we go there and we are use sticker jockey dog. And we had jockey dog and me have a sticker jockey dog and me never realize.
You're doing what? You're poking the dog with a stick.
Anyway, me have one stick and I jockey dog. Anybody want it, that's just say what they want.
No, that's so wrong still.
Listen to me.
You never say you joke the dog with this stick.
Listen.
You say you have this stick and you joke the dog, so what you do?
Let me finish my story. I know why, I care zero. Maybe this is one bun. Listen. Anyway, I can't do the story.
Yeah.
We have a stick. Dog I get beaten over there.
Yeah.
And everybody run gone left me, but me don't understand why everybody run. Well, I know dog when me talk a story no man, because I don't know bun off. You think me not really care zero. Anyway.
Everybody run gone left you.
Everybody run gone left. Oh, me I wonder why everybody run gone. All me can hear is wash in my back. Oh, me look on. I want brother with a piece of stick. Start give it to me, you know.
Yeah.
All me could do is just move back and run.
Yeah.
Cause I'm reach home, me can't tell nobody. Cause me tell my grandmother, me I get beaten again.
Yeah, but Rick, you know, the whole your argument why up.
What?
You know, wash eye. One brother, back you start give it to you. Fix up your argument, dog.
You listen to me now. When the things say me, I got stress out myself. When the things say me, I got stress out myself. I try talk in a code.
This not safe, brother.
Popcorn, listen, popcorn.
Brother,
Popcorn.
you are going now.
Yeah.
You see, me have a link down at watch it. Him know gypsy, me I tell him to teach you. Yeah, me I make him teach a little gypsy.
That will never happen. One thing with me, I will never ever conform to what people want. Thing out on the talk, on the slang, and but not time for stress. Brother, me have too much bills to pay. If you can worry about that,
It
I'm
rough.
sure. And,
Real
you know,
buzz it rough for real.
Wanna
It
get
really, really
still.
rough. Guys, we just saw breaking news on Loop News.
What go on?
Renita Adams has been hospitalized and as he's tested positive for COVID. So yeah. Trouble?
So it's because he doesn't... Adams as well, you know.
Renita-
Renita
good,
Adams.
Yeah, but I'm saying
Them have them money, you know, them all lock him up America. Make him stay. America won't catch him.
he's been hospitalized, so that means he's serious then.
Yeah. Him test positive for COVID-19.
He's a senior
He's
citizen.
old, man.
Yeah, so me don't know, like Renito, me don't know a gathering can help you with COVID.
Oh, Jesus.
How much time we have?
Him have-
Me ask if a gathering can help you with COVID and them something there.
We
You know.
have gathering. Oh, you know, say man have gathering.
What,
We have 18 minutes. Can we play a game?
what kind of game you want to play? 'Cause no safe road.
That's
you know.
why you're different today, because when I feel like more
Yeah.
of, you know, music today. We just feel
Yeah.
like
Name a Jamaican old man.
we feel like more wild, man.
Names of
Anything-
Jamaican old men.
Master Eye.
Me, Albert.
What?
Yo, this not safe.
All right.
Because my dear go ball out.
In a 2020 now. If you hear one girl with them name like Iris and them name there, you don't want to chat to that though. It's a whole woman
Me
name.
not feel like this
Or
safe.
Dolores.
Because I want Delaware could
No, next week we can deal with the females them. The elderly woman names, but we'll deal with the old man names.
Mr.
So you say
Brown.
what?
Mr.
Iris.
Brown.
No, you say Mr.
Iris.
Roy. Mas
Master
Roy.
Eye.
Mas Rai,
Mr.
Mas
Albert.
Jasper.
Just
When you're old enough, Mr. not go pay your name. you get
Mas. That's
Mas.
true.
Mas, you get-
Jasper.
Yeah.
Wait, let's go. Instagram people, let us know some old names. Adams. Is Adams an old name?
Adams old man, Adams a police.
Adams, yeah, Adams is kind of
Is
Me
that
no
old
know.
name?
Me no- Me
Delroy.
don't know no Adams. No,
Delroy.
Delroy, a young boy name.
No,
you know.
but yeah, old man
Delroy,
name
old
still.
and young. Everybody named Delroy.
So that kind of mutual.
Babsy,
Babsy, I know a woman.
Babsy Range.
man name. Hey, me don't know no young boy name so.
Come on. Uno must name. Charles.
Me know a young
No,
boy
we don't
Charles.
know young
Alright,
boy
and the
named
famous Charles, you know, the one.
No,
in the
I
Farrell
country
family.
one name. Desmond. Errol.
Desmond and Errol.
Errol, yeah. Eh? Mas who? Mas Papa. I never heard that one there before. Give me some old man.
Mas Papa.
Jen-
So who call him grandfather Mas?
Jonas Mas say Errol. You have an Errol in your family, brother.
Me have one.
You know, say Errol around old name for
It's
sure.
Yeah,
an
man,
old
it's
man
a old
name.
man name.
Trust me.
So what on know? So what be the people them when name there? Cause what on it?
Hmm?
No one beat to a woman from Facebook. What
Come
there.
talk in name.
Jesus, me just remember now.
Yeah.
Me know, she's going to see this,
Yeah.
and me know she got probably message anyway. I don't
Mas
care.
Jacob.
Me no business.
Go ahead.
This girl, whoever on the slide probably know her as well.
Mm-hmm.
Me not really, me no want disrespect her, but me just want to find out how did she come to this conclusion to name her child Gucci Fendi. Me just want to understand how did she come to
Watch
this
her now,
decision?
Rara was her inspiration.
Watch you now, no? You see, when you like them two brand, but your money not too right.
He no reach there.
You know?
Yeah, but
Like, you see like all you like car, you know?
yeah,
Car and them something there. So you know you like a Ferrari?
Yeah.
yeah,
You know you can't buy it, you know. You know
Yeah.
you never buy that, you know.
yeah.
But you want to see have a Ferrari, so you get one boy picking you say Ferrari.
That's a your name.
You know if it's a daughter, you know you go Ferrera.
Wait.
No, but that is because right now, there's a party going. We shouldn't even talk to the people in the business. And
Boy, I request a mix up, man.
no, but it's the truth, brother. I don't want to say it because
Yeah.
I don't want to go Instagram and ask people if you don't know this girl. And me
Yeah.
know her, you know, but you know, me that kind of side, you know, but it annoy me, man. The youth, them going to suffer for this. Because
Yeah,
imagine
brother.
when they get old and the people that say your name Ferrari, people going to look upon you like, not even say Ferrari. Because me know, as a Nick Ferrari, in last name a Ferrari. But your first name, you say, yo,
I man, me know name so.
Gucci. Fendi come here, I'm going to look upon you like,
Brett Sarah can sell her name. Mr. Magna Fridays, may we have your phone, please?
Raga
sell them.
Hold on now,
May-
hold on now. As him talk about Raga now, Smarty tag Raga come, I ask him a serious question.
Alright,
Come, I want the link, you know.
Fritters, boss.
I say, I want the link. Raga, you need to give me link for shopping for some of them things that for summer. Cause me not tell, yo, me not have to ask Christ. A Raga alone with them clothes with my, me feel so pay a sample thing. One of a
kind
kind.
of a kind.
Me never see nobody
But
else
yes,
and
with
nothing.
but,
Yeah.
but this is the thing, you know. You see with Ragarugi,
Yeah.
a man can't say it's knockoff because there's no one else having it.
Exactly.
You can't
They
say
say
it's
first
knockoff.
edition, first and only edition.
First and only edition, because
Yeah.
I've never ever seen anybody else
in
Ragaz's
anything
clothes.
that he has on. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
I wonder if I make them himself.
Probably.
Boy, I mean, I know, but you know, in England, you know, you got some real, we call it, trendsetter in terms of the fashion icon, fashion
Yes.
god.
Yes.
And this,
You know who's the next fashion god to me? I have to big up that youth, yeah?
me know you
Me
say.
think of me know Cleos.
Cleos, man.
Yeah.
Fashion god.
Yes.
Yo.
And
Yeah,
you see
true.
these people,
True.
they have also a comedic side as well, because
Yeah, definitely.
and they don't even understand. They don't even
The-
know that they're comedic, because Dan Bars is the next one as well.
Yeah.
Every time he hear him
Definitely.
talk, me have to laugh. We just
Hachalala.
we
Yo.
just
So, as what me I say, me probably not there as long as everybody like from in the early 2090s, but me come to England when England just a get nice.
Yeah.
Just like now, we now have to run to Jamaica to say, yo, we are look down there to see what's trending. We over here in the UK, we are creating our own wave. We are creating our own buzz. You know, it's so good to see like everybody's linking, everybody's is supporting each other. Everybody a network, because we now a time where we say kind of unprecedented or everything now is instant. It's a fast going world. It's not like we call it like one time. We
So wait on
wait,
telegraph.
you have to wait
Yeah,
for a
wait
certain
on
time.
TVG
Not
anyway.
not telegraph. Like I remember like 2015 as well. Like me go Jamaica and me come back and like me hear some hot song or start juggling over here. No, you know,
Nobody-
cause
And
so
it no reach.
anybody come from Jamaica now I see him song them a play.
I see him saying I'm a player. of
And me
course.
can tell you, enough man will say, oh, when him come from Jamaica, yo, him will come with Jamaica juggling. No.
Same thing.
See him sang them because here what everything is on live and this and that. Everybody know what go on down there instantly as it happens. So we don't have that lag and that little, we call it, Jamaica is 10 step ahead of America,
No, it's
one step ahead of England, and you know
it's leveling. It's because
playing field level now.
it's the biggest advantage is most people in Jamaica has internet on their phone now, rather than before is you have to go into an internet cafe to do certain thing by internet. Because when me used to there at Jamaica,
Yeah.
me used to have a phone, but me never used to have internet on the phone, because me never really with a call we are deal with, and we never really interested to put internet
But
on
what I
phone.
know, when you have internet on your phone back in those days, it was a limited service. Cause
Yeah.
all right, go back to like the good phone them with internet. Go back to BBM.
It's not even that long neither.
Hold
no.
on, Rick. Go back to BBM. It's a limited thing you could do. You send some small picture file
Yeah.
with the picture with the pixel them in a big. So sometimes
Pixelated, yeah.
also girl lies up some send you like a pussy pics and them look weird.
Yeah, God.
Then we want me say then that we are talking about.
No,
Remember
we're just talking about general pictures.
a general.
You just took it up a notch.
Let me make example. Where girl is right through. You know girl likes and send me a little thing. Remember you know. Can't see the crotch is good, you know. You can't see it good. You can't right now if a girl crotch is still like frog back you wanna know. Cause
Christ.
if our front bump you not gonna know, cause you wanna know.
God.
The pixel them big and because them time the image size and the quality never good. Them can't see a proper video.
Man,
No,
with that straight face, you know.
right now.
That's
Oh, you mean
true.
them can't say it to that straight
true,
face?
true.
Right now.
Look at you, got that stress out.
Right now, yeah, the people in Jamaica. Right now, when they tell them say, yeah man, you know more far down there, miss man them I say, no man, FaceTime man and send the money. We brav. But now I see your brother. FaceTime, you
And
know.
There's a particular speaking of like the comedic side of like the Instagram people them and the
Dance hall, yeah.
there's a similar thing in Jamaica where I like this thing, this 876 roommates thing. When
Is
we
that
say
with
World Dog
World
Dog
Dog them?
and Dino.
Yeah.
it's about to be released, and I like the aspect of them just
Joining in
joining together.
all on one accord.
And even though it's a competition, I think it has done more for them than
And-
even who's gonna win the money.
That's true.
Because-
Because that's a community being built in and of itself.
And,
Exactly.
And,
And a long time when I see
look at
something
it this
similar to
way
this.
as well. It build your CV.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
you see, when you come on to like the commercial space, you have to have certain CV to carry
And to fit
to
into
people
other,
to say,
yeah.
yo, I've done this before. Because
Exactly.
if you don't have certain form of level of professionalism,
Yeah.
you cannot go to certain people and say, yo, me done this. Otherwise, somebody just have to see as a diamond in the rough and say, yo, me work with a youth, him have talent. But now, them a build up a CV and a portfolio to say, yo, me have this, you can go here, so you can watch my little thing.
What do you think? Because they've decided to release the video on CVM TV, which is mainstream network. So obviously, it's going to be censored, like the body of them are cut out. Do you think that it's a good idea, or you think they should
Well,
keep it on the internet alone with their
at
classes?
this time in Jamaica, I would say like if you're gonna do it that way, I would say it best to go two way because on CVM TV, it's not on demand. On CVM TV, if you miss it, you miss it. So the viewership not gonna be that wide because all we consume things now as people watch things on demand whenever we want it.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
it's
When we
gonna-
want it. So on CVM, if them say set it for here, say like 7 o'clock. If you work till 8 or 9, you miss it. You can't watch it
Yeah,
again.
but they normally have
It's-
replays as well.
No, it's gonna be on their YouTube platform
Channel.
after.
Okay.
But they're premiering it first on the CVM TV.
For me now, the way I consume things, I think that's a big mistake because people want the uncut version because I don't think this is made for the younger audience. It's made for a
No.
more mature viewer.
Yeah, definitely.
So in terms of that, people want to hear the swearing, people want to see the realness. Because if you start censor certain things out of these comedians, that means they have to put an extra workload on their brain to start censor themselves. You don't come like me, like
No, they don't have to censor. Remember, it's edited, so
Yeah.
them do.
They're being themselves.
Yeah,
but
you
the
can't cuss and
edits-
swear as much,
okay.
but
Yeah.
obviously when it's going to be played on the mainstream TV station, it's going to be censored out, and that is the first version that's going to be coming out. Obviously, they can always
okay, that if that's it, then I could see yeah, it probably work.
because yeah, true. Rasta, what's your take on it?
I don't have a problem. Like I obviously not everyone enjoys hearing swear words. I mean, so I mean, not everybody enjoys hearing
Yeah.
swear words,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
they
definitely.
like the content that the characters put out. So putting it on Streamline, it would be good.
Who you
'Cause I
think will
mean,
win?
I don't even know everybody. I only know Dino Crazy and World Dog, and them two they are my favorite still.
To be
Probably
honest,
Dino.
to be honest,
like Dino.
to
I
be
like
to
Dino.
be
Everybody.
honest, like I have to watch it to see because I know like everybody have their
Own special way.
their
Yeah,
comedian side to it because even this guy cause he's funny in
The
a
skinny
sense.
one.
Yeah,
He's funny in a sense, but then Mr. like his personality. I don't see him have like a World Dog personality or a
Personality.
Dina personality. He have the dance move and certainly the flair about him. We are say yeah.
Yeah, but I think he should take this opportunity to like learn about himself
Yeah.
and to step out of his
And
comfort zone.
sorry about the rest of comedians on it and thing, but you have to understand like a few of these comedians are more known than
Yeah,
some.
than
That's all.
others.
But me see skit with most of them, but me just can't recall them name at the moment.
yeah. Me have a big up to Dino and World
World
Dog
Dog
for
as well.
kind of doing the work because me see them doing a lot of media things and promoting it because to be honest, the people who are going to benefit more from this are the unknown ones.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Because
Yeah, people are going to get to know who they are.
Yes.
So use the platform wise. If them think about it, this is an opportunity to sell themselves as best as possible.
Because I would pay to watch
To watch,
this.
so I would definitely
I
do
would
that.
pay.
As
Would
well.
I pay a little subscription to watch it?
Would I pay to watch it? But I think there's somebody who would drop the ball in the comedian aspect of this.
Drop
where
the ball
you
in terms of what?
drop the ball because he might focus on the wrong thing, and I think that is Chabas.
Chabas in there?
No,
No,
he's,
no,
he's
no.
not in it. He's just dropped the ball on a whole because I don't know if his focus is more on the
The
artist side,
music side.
the music side of life,
Well,
and give up him the first.
because he was
passion with
he was
everybody.
really good
Like,
at comedy.
Yeah, but
Remember, this market that opened for all of these comedians now, it was opened by Chabas.
yeah, he
And
was.
now, if you see like you're not even in the top ranks of it anymore.
And I guess people's situations and their priorities change because we know same got through a little thing that might have impacted him way more than how a normal man would have said, oh, sure, this happened, can move on. But people react differently to their situation. So we personally don't know the reason why, but he was very good and he will be a very good contender for
No, but he didn't.
this kind of
This is the
competition.
thing. He didn't apply for it because what happened? How it
No, but him
worked?
can't apply now.
No, it's
It's not relevant.
No, it's
No,
not applies. Some of these comedians like the World Dog and stuff, they reach out to them because obviously
There
you-
was.
you have some name brand comedian where they obviously reach out to for
Yeah, that-
ratings of the show. So I think even though he's not at the pinnacle at the moment,
Right.
they could have held out to Olive Branch
Right.
to
No.
try invite him because I think in terms of certain the thing in the game.
Yeah.
I think
He
he is way ahead of them in terms of his video editing skills,
Yeah.
his writing skills. We put a
And the
skit together.
content.
Yeah.
We put a content together and anything is better than them.
Yeah, but we
They
don't know.
they mostly we put on a phone and them not probably more naturally funny
Right.
Yeah.
than him. But,
But
to
he
put
has
to
the-
put a
the
content
production
together,
Way ho, yeah.
to put a content together and act a little thing.
Yeah.
He have that side of it, and I see him do a little thing. Say, I release a movie. So people even can go support that as well.
Yeah,
I think him release a movie.
Coming
Yeah,
from
they-
the production people, them they said how they done it was they reached out to everyone and said they were having a competition. So
Right.
whoever wanted to join, submit a video.
Right.
They post the videos, and anybody who gets the most like and the most.
They would be entered
Yeah.
into the competition.
So that's how the selection process goes.
was
They said-
Travis one of the was he one of the
No, he
contestants?
wasn't. Because I was surprised. Even the girl named Janelle.
Yes, with the she
'cause
didn't enter.
She didn't enter.
Okay. Well,
And-
I mean,
and
everybody
I
has
think
their reasons.
Some people didn't understand because I think this is good for because I watched her
She's
from
really good.
from when she had nobody watching her. I saw. I'm like, this
Yeah.
girl is actually.
She's really good.
And I'm proud of her because I see her doing working for Digicel.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you see how things because that role would have been for Kitty, but Kitty has excelled a
Yeah,
little
yeah,
bit
yeah,
more now.
yeah.
So I don't. So they're looking for the next person, and she
Yeah.
fits the bill.
Yeah.
She
She
does.
does, and she's very, and I think she's
She
gonna
does.
go far if she just keep her head together.
And she's around the right people as well.
Exactly.
She has a good support system around her.
Hey, yo,
and
blood. Let's talk about home for a bit.
We
because
have 2 minutes
Let me
in
talk
the
about the
show.
elephant in the room, yeah?
We have
Who
2
that?
minutes in the
Because
show.
I see we're talking about the comedian side of life, yeah?
Yeah.
But there's a market over here in the UK for it, but there's no one doing it.
There is comedy over here.
There is a few person doing it, like M2K is doing it, but
Yes.
he's doing it on and off, and I think it's a wide market for it because if you realize, say, every material like that we consume it from Jamaica,
Yeah, that's true.
and we see that there's a wide market. You have some natural funny people over here, like for instance, like Dan Bass.
are the number one.
If you put one camera on Dan Bass
Bass.
one day,
Everything. You
Everything.
mean stitches.
Yo.
Complete stitches.
yeah,
Complete
everything with a shot.
stitches.
I mean, I say like, yo, why we don't have that market over here? Like, where if you can't do the editing bit
Complete
for
stitches.
yourself,
Just record the raw video.
just record a raw video, get somebody to edit it, put together, and you put it out because like, yo, we want to see some more content where we can relate to like things what's
UK.
going on in the UK.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Like especially for the dancehall scene because you always see them and make example of dancehall on a Jamaica, or
Yeah.
America, whatever. And me know say there's a funny side to it at UK. Like perfect example, make any comedian want to take this and run with it. Like you just come at one party 4 o'clock with your girl, you come with 2-3 girl, 5:30, you can't wine on the girl party done. Money man they mash up a dance. Or woman if you want to make it this way, you come a party in a nice suit, for wine,
30 seconds.
man they mash it up. You can't wine, cause money
Yeah,
pull
get
up.
the comedians out here.
Comedian side out tight. You know,
Yeah.
select a fight to play.
This is the script, guys. Anybody want to take the script and
Yeah,
run with it?
you have to make something what's current, make it
make
funny.
sure so the credits are up a live show.
Simple as that.
You understand?
Of course.
Yeah,
There's-
we have some. No, me not say funny selectors, some comical
Yes, hilarious.
selectors and DJ in London.
Funny selectors.
Wait. You could impersonate something what
Yeah.
they do or what they say to make something and we'll look at it and laugh.
Yeah,
Of course.
Because
Magnum Friday
laughter
said
is a
UK
joy.
people too serious.
Yeah. People are at a time.
Out of time, but we want to thank everybody that tuned in today
Yes.
on Facebook, on Instagram. Thank you for joining us. We do appreciate it. Ochi Queen, big up yourself. Thank you for talking to us as well. Next week we're going to have a nice little show next week. Next week is the 4th of May, you know.
Of course.
May bank holiday is
What
Monday.
time here?
So 4th of May now have nothing.
Next week Monday and about 4th of me a bank holiday too.
No,
The 3rd of
the
May.
3rd of May, which is the Monday.
And the first of me a bank, what them say a May day.
But
Yeah, it's
that's
the 3rd, so it's going to be celebrated.
May
Day!
Made it. See?
Signal the plane.
Right, so we're going to be having 2 special guests in studio next week. We're going to be having Breads from Magnum Fridays as well as Smooth Face. So you don't know next week show. Inaga
See.
normal.
What, before we go,
But before we go,
big up to DJ D having his live right
yes. So jump over to DJ Dio's live or whichever platform, probably Black Night Live.
Yeah, Black.
Join the
Over
celebration.
DJ, it's going on DJ Dio Instagram page and for Twitch is Black Night.
Black
Twitch
Night.
Page. So go
Okay.
over there. It's gonna be
Just find him.
a fun-filled night.
Yes.
You know,
Them start the braffins already, you understand? So just go over and join them.
Yeah.
And have a good week, and we will see you guys next week. Dragon All Star?
Simple.
Love your brother, love your sister. Let love rule in everything you do. I want to say read a book into them. Say brain power is the main power. Until next week.
See you.
Peace out.
Take care.
Big up on yourself.
God
See
no.
you.